One of the easiest online jobs for students, stay-at-home moms and people looking for side gigs are online transcriptions. Obviously, you might wonder whether you qualify to do an online transcription jobs. Indeed, you do. Because there are several online transcription jobs for beginners. Let's check what kinds of online transcription jobs are available for beginners. There are different types of online transcription jobs that suit every beginner. Depending on your personal likes, select from any of these online transcription jobs for beginners. Medical transcriptions. You'll make transcripts of talks between a doctor and patient, surgeons during an operation, emergency medical services (EMS), and other healthcare providers. Medical transcription jobs are easily available due to high demand. Legal transcriptions. These are the highest-paying transcription jobs. Legal translations involve creating summaries of talks between attorneys and their clients and legal debates. You'll need some knowledge about laws since these jobs are complex but pay the highest. Financial transcriptions. Again, one of the highest-paying transcription jobs, it involves creating summaries of talks between bankers, financial experts, economists, and others. This is also a complex job. But beginners with some knowledge of banking and finance can take them easily. Technical transcriptions. As the term implies, you'll be transcribing talks or discussions between engineers, technical experts, and their likes. Anyone with some technical background can take technical translation jobs as a beginner. As I mentioned earlier, there's no need for any previous experience in doing online transcriptions. However, it does help if you have some background in any of these fields since you'll be in a better position. Best places for online transcription jobs for beginners. This curated list of best places for online transcription jobs for beginners is actually a list of employers that will pay you the highest. Read the terms and conditions on these websites carefully before you apply. TranscribeMe.com. TranscribeMe.com is the best website to get online transcription jobs for beginners. They don't charge any joining fees. And TranscribeMe.com pays between $18 and $25 per audio hour. An audio hour is calculated on the basis of a number of hours you spend listening to a single audio recording for transcriptions. You can make up to $2,200 per month while the lowest pay is $250 per month. CastingWords.com. You can make between 8.5 cents to over $1 per audio hour with CastingWords.com. It's free to register on this website. CastingWords.com also accepts applications from beginners in foreign countries that wish to take online transcription jobs. Before you apply, read their policies for rejection of transcriptions very carefully. That would help you understand their high standards of transcriptions. Rev.com. Rev.com is a fabulous website for technical transcription jobs for beginners. They offer very high pay for transcriptions and captions. Rev.com outsources its transcriptions from freelancers such as you and me. Meaning, anyone can apply for transcription jobs at Rev.com, even as a beginner. Rev.com pays twice every week. And they don't look for previous experience. Therefore, you can start by offering your services as a freelance transcriptionist jobs immediately. GMR Transcriptions. You can easily make up to $3,000 per month from GMR Transcriptions by taking an online transcription job as a beginner. To register, simply visit their website and fill in the necessary details. GMR Transcriptions provides audio, video and text transcription jobs for beginners. Transcription Hub. If you can do live transcriptions, there's a lot of money you can make through Transcription Hub. This website also has offline transcriptions that allow you to make up to $3,000 per month. However, with live transcriptions, you can go as high as $5,500 per month since these are in very high demand. Other than these websites, you can get offline transcription jobs on these websites too. Transcription.com, where you can watch video recordings and do online transcription jobs as a beginner. These videos can be from any category: medical, technical, legal or financial transcriptions. Ubicus.com hires full-time as well as part-time for an online transcriptionist jobs. You can easily get an online transcription job as a beginner here. Full-time job attracts lots of benefits. BAM transcription's ideal if you know a foreign language, because you'll have to translate and translate. This website also provides online translation jobs for beginners. You can make as much as $10,000 per month. Babbeltype.com. If you don't have any specific skills, try Babbeltype.com. They have transcriptions for market research and surveys by other companies. Since these are ordinary audios, they're easy to the transcript for any beginner. Speakwrite.com. As the name suggests, you'll have to listen to audio files and create transcriptions with Speakwrite.com. And you can make up to $3,600 per month through this website with online transcription jobs for beginners. Pay scale for online transcription jobs. Generally, transcription companies don't differentiate whether you've experienced or fresher or beginner. They'll pay you on basis of successful and accurate transcriptions. Meaning, any wrong transcription automatically disqualifies you for payment, though you would spend some time and resources. How much do online transcription jobs for beginners pay? Depending upon audio or video hours or the amount of text templates you complete during a day, you can earn anything from $250 to $10,000 per month. Payment in most cases is through PayPal. Often, you'll have to bear PayPal fees from your earnings. Wrap up: if you're serious about finding an online transcription job as a beginner, consider the above factors. And apply at any of these top 10 websites that provide such jobs. Maybe you can strike it rich soon.